I know. It's trying.
Oh, there's one right down in here if you lean over right here.
Oh yeah. Don't push.
See, I would have saved your life.
Oh yeah, after you push.
Exactly. Well, that's how firemen do it. Don't you know they have those compulsions?
Yeah.
You may not have over half your body over the fence line.
Why?
Define which half. This half wasn't.
Either half.
Oh crap. Man, this field trip's boring. We can't do anything. Is there gonna be a test on this later?
Yes.
Of course.
Crap.
Recite from memory the recipe for mud.
Awfully.